Hello everyone, in this video I'll be doing a review of the Lucky Charms Treats Marshmallow cereal bars. So, these are pretty cool. They are kind of like a granola bar, but with less calories. So, in one of these bars, there's only 100 calories, 3 grams of fat, 18 carbohydrate with 0 fiber, 9 sugar, 1 sugar alcohol, and 1 gram of protein. Made in Mississauga by General Mills, Canada. So yeah, I really like these. They're only 24 grams. And I treat them kind of like a granola bar, as they're low in calories. There's only 100 calories in that, making it easy to track your macronutrients. And it's a cereal bar that's kind of like a granola bar. You got the marshmallows, the Rice Krispie cereal, and then like a marshmallow gum kind of base. Really cool. I'm going to get right into this. So it's very chewy. It's kind of like Rice Krispie squares, but in a bar format with marshmallow. So if you like Rice Krispies, this is just as good, if not better. Very sweet. Tastes like the cereal with some marshmallows added in. Really good. I'll have one more bite and I'll give my final review. So that's Lucky Charms Treats. It is definitely a treat. It's, as I mentioned, very similar to granola bar and Rice Krispies. Kind of combine the two of those things together. I really like it. It's good. And it's got the same taste as the cereal, but mostly you taste the marshmallows, and I think that's what they have on the bottom is like a layer of icing, marshmallow icing. I'm not sure, but it tastes very good. So I would give the Lucky Charms Treats Marshmallow cereal bars an 8 out of 10. Really good alternative to a granola bar, and it's very sweet, very much like the cereal, easy to eat, and it's good. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.